All right, welcome back to section 4. We're going to be covering some analysis of customer feedback, either for your own products or for products from your competitors. So today we're going to go into Amazon. We're going to just go to our best sellers list and we're going to pick a product. I pre-selected this Amazon Matt, but you can pick any product when you guys are doing this. So if this is your product or your competitor's product, or you want to create something in that space or whatever you're just doing market research for your boss or a client or something like that, you can use this method or this um, strategy I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so let's click on these reviews here because I want to look at not just the positive, but I also want to look at negative. More so negative because I want to see what's wrong with this product and how it can make improvements. So let's put yourself in the shoes of the product owner. If you want to see how can I increase some sales, maybe, or if I do a new version of this product, how can I make it better, right? So go all the critical views, and what you can do is just go from here, from United States, and just copy all these reviews until you get to the bottom. Okay, so all right, now let's go back into ChatGPT, and remember we need to warm it up, so we need to tell it what to do. Analyze. So you are a master researcher. Analyze the reviews for the following product, excuse me, which is yoga gym mat. We're just gonna say yoga gym mat. Okay, and then I want to say in a table form, add the most common complaints about this product. And on the other side, the table, some possible solutions. Okay, and then here are the reviews. Okay, so you're just gonna paste that in, press enter, and let's see what happens. Okay. Excuse me. So mat doesn't lay flat after being rolled up. Okay. Not durable and tears easily. So you can, take this as like a little table. You can send it to your manufacturers and like, hey, fix these things, man. Let's get one that's not so squishy and not so soft. If you guys want it thick, let's make it harder or something. Gives you different ways to do it. So that's one way you can do, or you can use reviews, negative reviews. You can also, if you want to do a pros and cons list, you can take the positive reviews, right? Copy these over. All right, so analyze the positive reviews and create a pros. See, based on information from both the positive and negative reviews. And I can't spell, but it knows what I mean. Oh, hold up. Oh, I gotta paste it. Sorry. Yeah. Let me fix this. Hold on, guys. Okay, so let me paste this. Here's the positive, and then there you go. Pros. Okay, so you can do a pros cons and see, let's do overall. What's the overall Let's see, the majority of reviews gave 3.0. Let's see, what are some suggestions to improve the reviews rating for this product? Okay. Let's see. So you can use this information, right? And then create a new product or improve that same one. So this is a good example of just how do you do or how do you use reviews to see how to improve a product. So you can do that on both sides, right? You can do this for anything, services, products. If you're going on like Craigslist or something like that, or Amy's List, or what is it called? Amber's List, one of those. Amy's List, I think that's what it's called. But anyway, you can do that for anything. Find all the reviews, do a review, and you can use that to make determinations on, do I want to use a service? You do that real quick, right? Let's go back here. Let's say do this based on the reviews, and if I have trouble balancing on one foot, should I buy this mat? Let's see what it says. So based on the reviews, reported the mat's thickness is cushion, made it difficult to balance on one foot. Certain exercises, you may want to consider a thinner, more stable. However, if you do not mind extra cushioning and you're not bothered by potential slipping, this mat could still work for you. Ultimately, it depends on your personal preference. So general, man. But it's true. So anyway, here's another example. You guys use this for your own projects. Find some different products, some services that have reviews. Try this for yourself and see what kind of information that you come up with. See what kind of stuff that you uncover that could potentially help you create a product, help a business, come up with a decision, whatever it is. It's just it's gonna help going through this process will help you get better at doing this. So we'll see you guys in the next one.